Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your reading for next 48 hours. We will see your person's energy towards you and what can you expect. What action will they take towards you? Someone is confused here regarding commitment, Libra. It could be you or your partner. I also feel someone is having options, if not confusion, for this commitment. If you are already married to this person or already committed to this person, then someone is confused here. Someone is looking at other things like, yes, this is about love, Libra. You could be dealing with a Scorpio or a Taurus. Someone could be confused here how to talk about commitment with Libra, or it could be your energy, Libra. I also feel that someone is confused how to talk to you with about commitment or marriage, and that they have feelings for you. Like someone is confused how to confess their true feelings to you. Energies can be switched as this is a general read. So let's begin with your reading, Libra. Let's see your person's energy towards you for next 48 hours. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node Spirit. For the people who are going to hear this message for Libra, their person's energy towards you, please, for next 48 hours. Okay. Someone is very disappointed here. Your person could be having a wall in a recent past, but now this person is acting very disappointed, and also this person is regretting the past. They are missing you. They are missing the old times when you guys were together. This person could be hiding this from you, but what I'm getting from here is this person is missing the old times. For someone specific, I'm getting that you guys are in separation because of this person's mother, like because of someone's mother. This person feels that you are holding back from them and you are trying to be in your power. This person also feels that you are very hurt, Libra, and this is because you are overthinking about the situation that is hurting you. Could be about your child, like you are stuck in a situation because of a child, like you guys are in separation because you are stuck to be with your child, something like that. But this person feels that you are holding back from them. This person also has passion for you, Libra. Yes, this person wants to take a risk with you, but this person is holding back because of the ego. Or this person could think about you that you are holding back from them because of your ego. There could be some drama in this situation, but what I'm getting now is that yes, someone could be very sneaky here, and you got to know the truth about someone's betrayal. This person also feels that you want to sneak away from their life, but you were married to this person, or you were seeking commitment from this person. This person wants to see you in person, but this person feels that you are very stable right now wherever you are in your life, and you are single, you are independent. At least you are emotionally independent from this person, if not single. They think you are very focused on your own growth right now, on your own finances, and you are healing. There were a lot of drama in this situation, but you are getting attention from many people, yet you are holding back. Yet you are holding back from everyone. You are protecting your heart, but this person feels that you get a lot of attention from people. Also, you are doing your inner work as well. You are focused on your financial and spiritual growth, and they want to heal this relationship with you. This person also wants to focus on their finances and their own growth. This person, whenever they think about you, they think about the fights and arguments you guys had. This person still wish to have you in their life. This person still pray to fix things with you. This person is still wishing to make things right with you. In their feelings, this person is having a passion for you, but this person have been hurt, and this person is now has their sword up. This person wants to talk to you, but this person could be very cold and detached from you. But just know that in the past this person has been hurt, and that's why they are acting that way. This person wants to guard their feelings. This person also wants to travel towards you, but this person is having a wall around his heart. They want to fix things with you. They want your cooperation as well, but this person is acting very cold right now, and they are guarding their feelings. They want to talk to you, they want to travel towards you, they want to meet you. They want to remove this distance I'm getting here. Too many cards for it. I just need one card. They may intend to have a growth in this relationship. This person also has passion for you. This person wants to release you, Libra. This person wants to close their heart from you. Yes, and I feel you are also doing the same, like you are very silent. This person intends to remain silent from you, with you. This person wants to release you. They were protecting their heart in the past. They were holding back, but right now this person wants to release you, Libra. At the same time, this person wants to keep their options, like they want to keep their options open. This person has passion for you, and this person wants to apologize to you. Someone could be stalking here. This person has emotions for you, but this person don't have that courage to fight for this relationship now, to fight for you. This person may hold back from you. This person is in their power, like even if they are not doing that great, but expect communication from this person. This person just want to do what that is right for this person, and I don't feel this person, they want to talk to you, but this person is very controlling, and there is a new start, but I am seeing that someone is ignoring that offer. I'm seeing a balance here though, that someone will come towards you to have a balance with you. You may start something with this person, and then it can happen that someone could be ignored here later on. Let me clarify this card. This person, this could be a third party situation, like even if you guys, someone could make you an offer, you may reject it because of your child. For others of you, I'm getting that someone is indecisive whether to have this start with you or not. Even if you guys start this again, someone is going to remain indecisive, and someone is going to feel very ignored. But expect a message here from a Taurus or Sag, to be precise, Scorpio too, Scorpio and Aries. Could be any sign though. Okay. There will be a communication, Libra. I have Page of Pentacles here in your outcome. Like there will be a communication, and Queen of Cups at the bottom. So expect message from this person. Expect a stable communication in next 48 hours. If you guys, I just want to see what's going to happen to you guys. So that's really best. What's going to happen to you and what does it for next 48 hours. I'm getting the same message here, Libra. Like some of you could be waiting for this person to come back or to fix things with this person. Someone is going to remain emotionally independent here, and I feel this is your energy. You are going to be fine. But someone is waiting here. Even if your person has turned his or her back, this person is waiting here. This person is watching you as well. But in their action, I feel someone wants to start this again, and it's going to happen, but I feel it will start fast and it will end fast, something like that. That's what I'm getting here, and this is what I'm getting here, like in the action, like Ace of Cups, and I have Ace of Rods here. Emotions are there, passion is there, and I feel sexual tension too, but this is going to be very unexpected for you, that this person is making this offer, and this is going to be very unexpected for you, that how it is ending. But some stability is here in communication. Let me clarify these cards. Okay. Seven of Swords. This is the third time this card is showing itself in this reading. What I'm getting from here is Libra, some Sagittarius. This is about Sag and commitment, Libra. This is about long distance, and this is about closure. Someone's sneaky behavior. Someone wants to hide stuff. Let me ask. What is this person hiding? This person is hiding from you, that this person could be dealing with a Sag or an Aries, but Aries or Scorpio. But what I'm getting from here is that this person is hiding from you, that they want a balance with you, and you need to be patient. They need your patience, Libra. This person will confess something to you, and they would like to manifest new things with you. And this person, someone is manifesting new things here, could be a Sag energy. So this message could be for someone specific who is dealing with a Sag, or who is having a Sagittarius in his or her chart. Someone is stressed here, Libra, and I feel because the other person is not talking to you, like your person is going within, your person is acting a little detached, but just know that they are doing the inner work. Love is there in this situation. Maybe they are confused about this connection, or they are just trying to analyze the situation. I also feel you need to connect to that source, Libra. Just go within, meditate, and be with that. I also feel that something is going to be delayed here, and you don't have to take stress. Just do your thing, keep yourself busy and productive, and you are going to be fine. Boundaries. If you feel that this person is having boundaries around himself, soulmates at the bottom. So this is, you are dealing with a soulmate, Libra, but if you feel that this person is having a boundary, you don't have to cross that boundary. You don't have to wait for this person to put down that wall. Just do your thing, connect with yourself. And I feel if you are a feminine watching this, this is about your energy. Like you are very distorted right now. You are not in balance. You need to be in balance, Libra, if you are feminine watching this. It could also be possible that you need to have that boundary around you and protect your energy. Just do your inner work. You need to be in balance right now. Healing and abundance are coming to you. Intuition. Listen to your inner wisdom. So just follow your intuition, Libra, and try to connect with that source. Just be within. Be with yourself. Turn in, and that's it. I'm also getting you should drink more water here. Just retreat from social media for some time, and let's get love messages from your person. I know I don't deserve your love, yet I don't want you to give up on me. Please stay. Don't complicate things, keep it simple. I like to make you feel jealous because it gives me assurance that you are still holding on to me. We get this card almost daily in your readings. Don't hurt me. At the bottom we have, I can't commit, but I like being with you. So if this is about commitment, Libra, this person is saying they don't want to commit to you, but they like being with you. So just apply it to your situation. I really hope this reading helped you, Libra. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.